Welcome back guys. In this class we are going to discuss the multiple exception in Python language. So in previous class we tried an example of a simple try block and except block, but in this class we are going to deal with more than one except block, which means that we are going to generate the multiple exceptions in a single program. So without wasting any time, so let's start. First of all, I am typing here try. This is a keyword for the try block, and I am typing here print and x. As you can see here, I have not defined and declared x, but I'm still trying to print x. And the second thing which I want here, actually I want to define here a variable which is k, and I want here like 5 divided by 0. We cannot divide any number with 0. It will simply throw us an error or exception. Okay, now the second statement I want to print here, it is print and k, right? And now I want to throw two exceptions. Number one, except except. So first exception is a name error, and this is predefined exception. So name error, and I want to print here. Let me show you, like x is not defined. Sorry. And the second error, I want to print, simply copy this and paste it over here and change the name of the error, which is a zero division error. Zero SION error, right? And I want to print here zero division error occurred, right? Run and see the output. So zero division error occurred, but it is actually not printing for the x. Name error, it should also throw us the name error as well. So, but it is throwing us only the zero division error. Okay, so let's remove this and also k, and now let's run. Still zero division error is there because we want to divide 5 by 0. So now let's run this. So x is not defined. So right now it is giving us this exception. So this is how we can deal with more than one exception, and we can even make it more complex depending upon the situation. So I hope you learned something. So that's it for now, and I hope you will try it by yourself. So that's it for now. See you in the next lecture.